Hi guys, in this video we will discuss the character sketch of Duchess. In the previous video I have discussed the character sketch of Duchess only, but I have showed you what was the viewpoint of Duke, her husband. Okay, so the thinking of Duke was shown in that video. What he was thinking about his wife. Here we will see the character sketch of Duchess and we will see the reality, what kind and how how her character was in the poem. Okay, so we are going to see the reality of her character. Okay, so question is like this: write a note on the character of the Duchess as revealed in Browning's poem entitled My Last Duchess. Okay, so whenever the question regarding her character sketch comes, you can mention these things which we are going to discuss here in this video. Okay, so let's get started. Character of Duchess. From the Duke's account, satirical though it be, we are able to gather that the Duchess was a woman with a simple and generous heart. Okay, so Duke's account is there. Why? Because we all know that this Duchess is killed, or we will say murdered, by her husband only, and now the Duke is showing the portrait to the messenger of nobleman, and he is giving the account, or he is elaborating the character of Duchess. So through that we come to know what kind of a woman she was. Satirical though it be. Why satirical? Because whenever Duke talks about his wife, about his last Duchess, he shows even the good qualities in a manner that all the things are in a negative side. Okay, so satirical though it be, we are able to gather that the Duchess was a woman with a simple and generous heart. So here you can learn these adjectives, or you can mention these adjectives in your answer when you can talk about her simplicity and her generous heart. In the innocence of her spirit, she looked upon the world and its people as essentially good. See what happens if you are good, you think that the whole world is good. So she thinks that all the people are essentially good in this world, because she was that kind of a innocent person. It was in her spirit to be good. So she thinks that everybody is good. She could find beauty in everything, and whatever she saw gave her joy. And she was a person who finds beauty in everything, and whatever she used to see, that gave her joy. Now let's see the actual lines of this poem. That also shows what kind of a person she was. She had a heart, how shall I say? Here I refers to, it refers to Duke, and Duke is presenting the character, representing the personality of Duchess through the portrait of her. So he is saying she had a heart, how shall I say, too soon made glad. She was easily made glad on anything, too easily impressed. She liked whatever she looked on, and her looks went everywhere. So that kind of a person she was. Now let's see some more ideas about her. Now, the Duchess, as Browning conceived of her, was a true child of the Renaissance. Okay, so what are the qualities of, or we can say, the key features of Renaissance? She was representing all those things in her character, or through her character. We are talking about the Duchess. So, this is how the character of Duchess is perceived by Robert Browning. She was full of wonder at the beauty of the world around. Okay, so what are the key features of Renaissance? That all the people are wondered by the beauty of the world. Okay, so they are having a great respect for the beauty of this world. So, as she was having, she esteemed the beauty of the sky, the glory of nature, and the charm of animals. Okay, so she was a person who can be easily impressed by these kind of things, these kind of natural objects, such as the beauty of sky, the glory of nature, and the charm of animals, and at a higher price than her husband's long descent. See what happens. Descent means what kind of a history is there, what kind of family history is there. So great history has been there of her husband, but it was not giving her pleasure. The more pleasure she was getting in these kind of natural objects. She found in them more of everlasting beauty than in her husband's genealogy of his bronzes. Okay, so she was finding everlasting beauty in all these natural objects, in all these things of pleasure, in comparison to her husband's genealogy of his bronzes. Here, bronzes means a masterpiece which was made by Inns Purfbrook, and the Duke himself was a lover of artisan, and he used to like artists a lot. And here we see that Duke was a character who used to love artistry and art pieces. In comparison to, he he loves he doesn't love the human feelings. Okay, so that kind of a person he was. And here we see, due to that, we see a very contradictory kind of attitude which is shown in the or through the character of Duke and Duchess. Now next is, now again we will see the actual lines of this poem. Few lines are there that will also show the character sketch of Duchess. The bough of cherries some officious fool broke in the orchard for her. The white mule she rode with round the terrace all, and each would draw from her alike the approving speech. Oh, blush at least. Okay. Now these are the actual lines, and what do these lines mean? Though his narration, the Duke reveals the character of the Duchess as a frank and charming girl who came from a happy home, a bright and eager bride. Okay, so this is the narration by Duke himself, and he is also showing the qualities of his Duchess, of his last wife, and he reveals that Duchess was a character who was frank, who was a charming personality, a charming girl who came from a happy home, a bright and eager bride. Okay, so that kind of a person she was. She was one of those lovely women whose whose kindness and responsiveness are natural as sunlight. And she was having kindness, she was responsive to each and every person, to each and every emotion or idea, and she was as natural as sunlight while showing her response. She loved to watch the sunset from her terrace. She loved to pet the mule and was delighted when someone brought her a gift of cherries. So, for anyone who was doing something for her, she used to give smile, she used to give responses, and every simple or single idea or thought which is shown to her was responded very well by her. All this is revealed by Duke himself, and we are seeing the account of Duke here in this poem because this Duchess is now no more, she has been killed. So, these are the lines which show what kind of a character she was, and she was a very happy and bubbly kind of personality. Now, some other things are about her. As a husband, Duke feels neglected or humbled. Okay, so here Duke has a point, and he says that she was treating her husband as she was treating others, and somewhere Duke feels that he was neglected or humbled. For that, he should have pointed out to her what he found amiss in her character and conduct. So, for that, one point is generated in the mind of all the readers, in the mind of we readers, that if he found something missing in her character, in her conduct, so he should have pointed out all those things to her. The Duchess would have surely mended herself, as she never hurt anyone. So we all agree that if all the points, or if these kind of points or things were mentioned to Duchess, or were brought in the notice of Duchess, she surely have mended herself. Because why? Because she never hurt anyone or anybody. The Duke, however, chose to kill her, and we see in the poem that he himself was telling the messenger that he chose to kill her. He gave commands, and then all smiles stopped together. All smiles, because she used to give a smile to each and every one, to each and every idea or emotion. And now, what happens? This is a heinous crime. This is a crime which is not permissible. This is a great tragedy. What is after all her fault? Now, here in this note, when we are describing the character sketch of Duchess, we can say, we can we should ask this question to ourselves: what is after all her fault? And we, as a reader, we cannot understand how Duke can be so cruel, and for that kind of person, Duchess she was. For that, for her, how he could do this, and why has she why has she been killed and eliminated? And these kind of questions come in our mind: how she could be killed and eliminated from this world. The Duke represents absolute power and sheer animalism. Here we can understand that the character of Duke represents his absolute power, and it was a sheer act of animalism. He has a collection of art pieces which shows his wealth. Okay, so here when he was showing his bronzes to the messenger, we come to know that he was a great lover, or he was having the collection of art pieces which shows his wealth and power. He does not have human feelings, but we are for sure know from the character of Duke that he was not having human feelings. He does not have a heart that throbs, and he does not have a heart that beats. He tells the envoy proudly that he got his wife killed because she chose to ignore him, and proudly, openly, he was committing his crime, and he was saying that due to the ignorance of his wife, he killed her. The Duchess is the best specimen of humanity. Here we can write in our answer that the character of Duchess was the best model or specimen of humanity. It is a hideous joke of destiny that a white lily like her is married to a black devil like the Duke. So here we see the comparison, because she was as fresh as white lily. Her attitude was pure, her emotions were pure, but it was a joke, hideous, that means secret joke of destiny, that she met a person like Duke, who was like a or who behaved like a black devil. The monologue reveals the Duke's incurable animality and the Duchess' unlimited humanity. So here, in this dramatic monologue, it is revealed that Duke's incurable animality. Incurable, why? Because his behavior was fatalistic, and it took the life of Duchess, and the Duchess was showing the unlimited humanity. So total contradiction is shown through both the characters, like Duke and Duchess. Okay, this is it for this video, and I hope we have learned many of the things about the character of Duchess. And if the character of Duchess comes in your question paper, everything is given here in this video. You learn the things from this video and try to understand the character sketch of Duchess. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you're new to this channel, do subscribe it. If you have liked this video, share it with your friends. Take care. Bye bye.